Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about the three main CSS property for text manipulation: text align, line height, and text indent. These three are the main three properties used in CSS for text manipulation. Okay. So see here in our website, you can see the heading Family Computer Center is placed in the left side of the browser. Suppose you want to move it to the center or to the right side, you may use the text align property. Okay, let's see that in action. I will switch back to my Visual Studio Code style document, and for the heading I'm going to apply text align to right. Let us see what happened. When I switch back to my browser, you can see my heading is now displayed in the right side. Okay, so I'm switching back to the VS Code and I'm changing it to center so that I want to show the text in the center. So you can see the heading now comes to the center of the page. Okay, so the text align property can have four values. One is left, the other one is right, and the third one is center, and the fourth one is justify. Justify is actually used for the paragraph. For example, for our paragraph, the left side of the paragraph seems to be very fine, but the right side of the paragraph is scattered around. Okay, for adjusting left side and right side equally, like in a straight line, we use justify property. Okay, so let's try set that. So I'm going to the description class and I'm saying like text align to justify. So when I go back to my browser, you can see now both of the sides are equally sized. There is no scattered way in the right side. Now the problem I am facing is like my paragraph lines are very close. It makes me to, or makes the user to read our paragraph really stressful. So he'll be facing, or he or she will be facing strain when he reads this paragraph, as the lines are staying very close to each other. So I want to adjust the line spaces between the lines in this paragraph. For that, we use the CSS property called line height. So I'm just saying line height. I can simply say 1.5. That means 1.5 line height. So when I go back, you can see it is increased. So let's change it to a little more bigger size. I'm giving 2.5. So when I go back, you can see there is enough line spacing between my paragraphs now. Correct? Okay. So line spacing measurement can be specified as 1.5 or 2.5, or you can even specify it in like percentage. For example, you can say 120 percentage. So when you go back, you can say 120 percentage is usual. So let's make it 180 percentage. So you can see the line height is increased. So the line height you can even specify in percentages, even specify you can in EM, or you can say like normal. Normal means the reasonable spacing between the lines. Normal is the default. Okay, so I'm going to change it to 2.0. So you can see, so there is good line height now. Okay, so text align is for setting the alignment. Line height is for setting the spaces between lines in the paragraph. Now finally we will go for text indent property. Text indent property means like you can see here, normally when we write the paragraph, the first line of the paragraph we will keep away from the margin. So for that we use what? A text indent property. So when I go back to my style document, I'm writing like text dash indent. You can specify the measurement in EM or percentage, and I'm giving 20 percentage. Okay, so when I switch back to my browser, you can see it is moved 20 percentage of the browser size. That's too much, so let's go with maybe 5 percentage. So when I go back, you can see there is a reasonable spacing like at the beginning of the paragraph. So normally when we write English paragraphs, we start a little bit away. First line, we start a little bit away from the margin. For that, we use text indent property. So these are the three main properties we use in CSS for manipulating the text. They are line height, text align, and text indent. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post. See you again. Bye for now.